danger of do-it-yourself estate plans. This is a big problem that I'm actually really concerned about. I know this might sound self-serving because I'm an estate planning lawyer saying, oh, you shouldn't do your own separately self-created estate plan. But here's the problem with doing your own estate plan. Well, first, you don't know what you don't know. So you should work with an expert. Anything as high stakes as estate planning, which can literally mean the difference between protecting your children for 10 or 20, 30, 40 years, protecting multiple generations, protecting your home. You don't want to leave that to chance in some random online program, do it yourself. You don't know what you don't know. You might have tax issues you're not aware of. But let's say that there is some really good tool out there that does somehow identify what you don't know, and it's a very solid plan. The second big problem is if you do a plan yourself, there's no one to defend that plan if there's a conflict later. One big issue that we're seeing in estate plan is, well, greed. When someone passes away and they leave money to one person or one family member, and maybe they leave more to one child than another, if there's a battle, if those kids go to court, or if one beneficiary fights another, what happens? Well, the person or the team who prepared that estate planning document is often called to testify to defend the documents. Say, look, I met with this person. They were very clear in what they wanted. Here are my records of why we created these. And the expert who creates you do it. If you do it with a lawyer, can and often has to defend those documents for you to make sure your wishes are followed and to make sure assets go where you want them to go. If you do documents yourself, there is no one there to stand behind them. LegalZoom is not going to testify to say, yes, Mr. Joe Smith did the plan and we can definitely be sure that it was him and not someone else just typing his name in a computer. So don't do your own estate plan. Maybe it's better than nothing if you're just starting out, but if you have kids, if you have a house, if you have any assets, don't do a do-it-yourself estate plan. No one can defend it. No one can defend it for you. Work with an estate planning expert. We can defend the plans for you if and when there's a conflict or a challenge. There's many other reasons why you should work with a lawyer or an expert on anything in life that involves stakes this high. Hope you like this. Like, comment, share. Let us know if you disagree. This is a big problem. I think it's going to lead to a lot of litigation in coming years.